Hi everyone, I'm Ron, and today we are diving into FreshBook, a powerful yet user-friendly accounting platform designed for freelancer, small businesses, and entrepreneurs. Whether you're just starting out looking to streamline your financial management, this video will guide you through setting up using FreshBook like Pro. Right, so just for instance, imagine you're a freelancer juggling multiple projects. Without a clear system to track income, expense, invoice, you might struggle to stay organized and ensure timely payments. FreshBooks simplifies all of that and help you stay on top of your finances. So, I will just give you a complete introduction about everything here. Let's go to Google, click on search for FreshBook, right? And here, go and click on this first link here. Once you're here, let's go to the pricing. Obviously, you can use it for free, right? And you can see here, try it for free, which is around for 30 days. And depending on your need, you can go for plus and premium, right? You can come to this website and compare yourself. Yearly is 10% less expensive as compared to monthly here. Now let's go and click on try it for free. Now here, you can use your Google account or normal Apple account or just your normal email address. So let's click on here and click on sign up with Google. And here I'm just going to use one of my account to create a normal Freshwork account here, which is quite simple and easy thing to do. For those who don't know what is a FreshBooks is intuitive accounting platform that allow you to manage invoices, track expense and generate financial reports all at just one place. Then it will ask you some basic details, for example, your name here, and let's enter our name and where are you located, your phone number, and how do you hear about us. So now just go and click on next. Now here it will ask you what's your company name. So I'm just going to write here, Filex Express here. What does your business do? So my business is into marketing, communication, and media. If you choose any other option, no worries because the entire setup is not going to change. How would you describe your business? So it's a new business, but it's my full-time focus. Now here, as you can see here, these asterisk questions are important. So you have to enter the information here. How do you work? So with my team, and what's your team size? 2 to 4. What's your estimate revenue per year? So you can select your currency and then you can select the size, the amount, right? How long does it take to complete your service? So is there around less than a week, or let's say more than a week, but less than a month? What do you currently use to bill your customers and spreadsheet and Word document, right? And here you can choose here anything, any option, how customized is your offering for your customer, more or less, and let's go and click on save and finish. So the first step is setting up your FreshBook account and getting familiar with the interface. So this is the exact dashboard which you need, and this is how you can access it. I hope you found till here, you found this video very useful. Now this is a dashboard. So dashboard will give you a complete access what is happening and right in your company, in your organization, in your workspace. It will show you everything. Now here, if you want to add your team member, you can just go and click on add the team member, enter the name, last name, and the email and click on add. They will get an invitation on the email, and once they accept, they will able to access the same interface dashboard. Now here, there's a shortcut key, which is basically create new. Now from here, you can create client, which I will show you how you can do this. Same goes with the invoice, and this is recurring templates for the bills and for the incomes and expense and some of the other things here. The diamond icon shows that well, you can only use it once you have upgraded the plan. Right. Now here on the left side, let's go with the client section here. In the client section, you can add your client, right? So very simple thing to do. Obviously, we give you a short, tutorial, which is basically you can see here, you can add, click on new client to add a client and see who owes you most at the glance. So it will help you to identify, right? So let's go and click on new client and let's add a client here. The client name is, let's say, John, and I do some kind of service. I provide some kind of service to John here, right? And what's the company name? So here, let's say if he is an individual, he doesn't own any company, then you can simply leave it, or you can just write here company name is also John, right? What's the email address? So I'll just write here john@gmail.com. By the way, this is a temporary email. Enter the phone number and enter some of the business details. For example, you can add the phone number, the address here, right? You can set reminders regarding this client. So if I just go and click on automatically send payment reminders for this client invoices, you can do this right now, or you can also do it later. If you want to charge some kind of fees, you can turn on this, and what currency you're dealing with this client, you can also change it from here, right? Pretty simple and pretty easy to do, right? This is an invoice attachment. So you can also attach the option to attach a PDF copy when sending invoice to this client, right? So it's very important. So I'll just go and click on done and click on save. So this is how you can add a client, right? And this is pretty easy thing to do, pretty simple. So I hope that you understood how you can add client. Once you have added, it will show up here. Now there's an option which is more actions. So obviously, if you were using some other software or if you were maintaining an Excel sheet to manage all your clients, so here you can just go and click on import client, right? And if you have some client information, you can also export that data. Right now, it will all the client information will be added here, which is pretty simple to do. And once the client has been added, you can send email to them. This is called estimates. Estimates is very similar to, you can say that, quotes. So you can create a new estimate on the top right side corner. Here you can add your logo, and obviously I will show you how you can do this. You can also do it from here, and your business information details are added here, and add your client. So if you also create a client, automatically it will get saved in the last preset, last option, or okay, let me show you where it gets saved here. So let's get back. It gets saved to the client section, right? So automatically it will appear here. So that is pretty much easy, and you can create client from anywhere. While creating invoice, while creating expense, you can also do it from there. And here, let's say you have given some kind of service to the clients, or let's say you're just quoting the price of certain service or product here. You can enter it per the name, the description, the rate, and the quantity, and it will just total. You can add a discount as well as the tax, and just go and click on save, right? So pretty much easy to do. And here you can, same way, here you can create invoice. So once your account is set up, it's time to start creating professional invoice here. Now here you can just go and click on new invoice and choose a templates to start from the scratch. Now here you are not getting a template because in the free version we don't, but in the paid version yes, you get it. Now here, obviously you can add an invoice, for example, what kind of service you have, served to the client. And here, this option from where you can accept the payment. So this is the online payment. So you can just go and select here what kind of payments, what's the payment gateway from where you are getting accepted. So whether it's a Visa and MasterCard and Discover and Google Pay, right? You can add it here and click on complete setup. So this is the way where you can add the payment details very easily, right? And you will able to accept the payment directly from the clients. All the payments which you will receiving will show up here. Now this is an expense, so you can also create a new expense here from on the top right as well as in the mentor center here. Now here you can add a categories of what kind of expense it was, and you can add to the client project, right? Now, this is a project. So if you were confused, where's the projects option? So this is a project option. You can create a project directly from here, right? So whether this is an hourly project for the client or the flat rate project, so you can create it directly and you can track it and you can directly send it to your client, right? For the invoice and the payments. This is a payroll. Say if a lot of team member, or let's say 4 or 5, 6 member working in under you, and you can use FreshBook payroll, which is powered by Gusto. So you can pay directly from here, which will be easy for the, taxes and everything, right? Depending on which country they are. But this is not free. This is an add-on cost. It will charge you $40 plus, depending on the how many employees you have. So $6 per person. And obviously first month is completely free. And this is accounting. So if you're doing the payroll, if you're doing managing expense and everything, so obviously you will able to do the accounting from here, and you can send it to your CA or your accountant to, do the tax filing and everything, right? So you can also create reports here, which is basically the main report option is here, where you can create your, how much profit and loss you had, what's the expense report, what was the profit report, whether you were loss in a profit, right? Regarding each month and annually basis too, right? So there's a general ledger for the accounting, and obviously this is a paid, so you have to pay for this. But I hope you understood each and everything, right? So if you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more accounting tips. And thanks for watching this video. Subscribe.